Hello, I am Darren Johnston, Technical Specialist for Hubbell Power Systems. Today I'm going to show you how to properly adjust a D-style transmission switch. The D-switch has been manufactured since 1953 and is Turner Electric's first product. Once the insulators and blades are mounted to the frames, each phase should be adjusted to make sure the blades line up with the jaws. This can be accomplished by adjusting the leveling screws on the bottom of the insulators, and the jaws can be adjusted vertically to make alignment easier. Adjust the jaws so the blades are centered with the contacts. This can be accomplished by using the bolt on the back of the jaw to make vertical adjustments. Check the blade latch to make sure that it locks properly, and the quick whips will be inside the whip keeper when the blade is fully closed. After all the phases are adjusted and installed on the pole, install the vertical operating pipe and pierce the top phase pipe lever. This lever will hold the vertical operating pipe until all pipe is installed. The remaining two levers will stay loose until adjusted. All vertical operating pipe couplings can be pierced. After each phase has been adjusted and the vertical operating pipe installed, we will set the reach pipe placement. Open each phase individually to 30 degrees. Set the bearing levers parallel with the vertical operating pipe lever. Then attach your reach pipe. This will ensure a proper open and closed position. Tighten the reach pipe clevises, but do not pierce at this time. The most important part of adjusting any transmission switch is properly setting the blade timing to ensure a proper closed position. With the operator loose at the bottom, so the vertical operating pipe moves freely, you can close the switch manually by pulling the reach pipe. Close the switch so the top phase just touches the outside of the jaw contacts. Inspect this has been achieved and move to the middle phase. Adjust the middle phase by loosening the clevis on the pivot bearing and move the blade a ½ inch behind the top phase. Tighten the clevis once this has been completed, then move on to the bottom phase. On the bottom phase, loosen the clevis on the pivot bearing and move the blade 1 inch outside the jaw. Use a marker to mark each side of the clevises and pipe levers, and tighten the clevis. After the blade timing has been set, tighten the operator to the vertical operating pipe and open the switch to check placement. The blades will appear staggered in the open position. Use the operator to close the switch with a fast motion to ensure proper locking of all phases. It is important to note that the D-switch needs to be slammed into the closed position. If all the blades are locking properly, operate the switch a few more times to ensure proper adjustment, then pierce all reach pipe clevises and operator. For any questions about this or any other products, please contact our customer service department.